tao. Hanggang 8 level, sa 8 level mo, meron ka ng, sa 8 level pa lang, 6,561 ang tao mo. Okay? Now, paano yung kitaan? As I said, kapag Tecno user ka, ito 50 pesos, then 20 pesos for the rest. Indirect endorsement. Ito yung potential income mo. 196,890 pesos. Power of 3 lang yan. Okay? Sa Technopreneur naman, ganito ang illustration. Yung first endorsement mo, 250 each. Yung second to 8, 40 pesos. Okay? So, ang potential income mo, 394,230 pesos. Pero, hindi doon natatapos yon. Kasi, as we said, from 9th level, additional 20 pesos each. So, that's 787,890 pesos. 10th level, 1.9. 11, 5.5, 12, 16M. And hanggang infinity yan. So, ganun kalaki yung potential income for technopreneurs. So, on subscription sales override alone, pwede ka nang kumita nito. Potential income. Paano nasabing potential income? Depende yan kung paano ka mag-work. Depende sa sipag at saga. Okay? Now, ito naman, power of 5. Sa halip na tatlo lang, yung tatlo lang yung direct level mo, gagawin mong 5. Okay? Ano yung potential income? So, ganun pa din, 50, 20, 20, 20, ang potential income mo is 328. So, halos na doble yung potential income. Sa Technopreneur naman, ang potential income, 657,000 plus up to infinity. So, you count, you calculate kung gaano kalaki. Power of 5 yan. Ang Techno user hanggang 10 pwede. Ang Technopreneur hanggang 10 plus unlimited infinity. Sorry, 20 pag Technopreneur. Okay. Next, another way to earn sa MyTurf project or program is yung tinatawag na patronage rewards. Ito yung kikita ka sa pag-consume lang ng load, hindi sa pagbebenta ng load. Okay? Yung pagbebenta ng load, extra income yun. Baga sideline. Pero ito, gagamit ka lang ng load, which is araw-araw mong ginagawa. Okay? Paano ka kikita? Meron kang 1% of purchase of MyTurf products up to 10 levels. 10 levels instead of 8. So, paano yon? Parang sinabi natin, 1%. Parang 100, meron kang 1% piso. Meron kang piso sa bawat 100. Maliit? Yes, maliit. Kung 100 lang ang niloload mo, ang niloload ng network mo. Okay? But, check this out. Okay, ito yung mga e-loads na pwedeng gamitin na qualified para maging qualified ka sa PR or sa Patronage Rewards program. Smart Buddy, Globe, and Sun Express, which are the 3 biggest companies, okay? And kung naka-postpaid ka naman, as long as gumagamit ka ng mga wellness products, yung Apollo, Cifadin, qualified ka pa rin na mag-earn ng Patronage Rewards. Okay, let's see the illustration. Power of 3 pa din. Okay, sa power of 3, as we said kanina, magbubuo ka ng network mo. Okay, ang total na tao niyan is 88,572. Now, get 1% of it. Okay, halimbawa, lahat kayo nagko-consume ng 100 pesos ng 100 pesos na MyTurf products, ito yung potential income mo. 88,572. Let's assume naman na nagko-consume kayo ng 300, which I believe is normal or average usage ng bawat Pinoy. ang potential income mo is 265,716 pesos kung kumpleto yung network mo. Okay? Let's say, mas marami pa yung mga nakuha mo, mas malalakas pang gumamit. 500 average per month. 442,000. And hindi to one time. This is monthly income. As long as gumagamit kayo ng MyTurf products ng network mo. Okay? So, bakit sinabing sustainable? Bakit sinabing magtatagal yung MyTurf? Na kaya niyang magbayad ng ganong kalaki? Kasi, every subscriber are required to purchase MyTurf products to qualify. Okay? Ibig sabihin, kailangan lahat kayo gumagamit ng MyTurf products. Ano ba yung mga MyTurf products? Meron din siyang qualifying period. Ano yung tinatawag nating qualifying period? Ito yung number of days na qualified ka to earn MyTurf rewards. Okay? We'll explain this. Ito yung mga products na available sa MyTurf program. Say for example, naglo-load ka ng regular na Smart every month ng 100 pesos. Instead of loading yung Smart na 100, ang ilo-load mo sa sarili mo is Turf S100X. Parehas din yan, regular load din yan, and pwede mo siyang i-convert to Unli. Yung mga nire-register lang, pwede yon. So, kapag ito yung binili mo, meron kang qualified ka to earn for 10 days. Okay? 100, 10 days. So, pag 300, qualified ka to earn for 30 days. Paano qualified to earn? For example, nag-load ka ng MyTurf product, say, ng February 1. Okay? Qualified ka to earn ng 30 days. Ibig sabihin, 28 days. So, hanggang until March 2, pag may nagpapaload, every time na may nagpapaload sa under mo, may naglo-load sa sarili nila ng turf product, kikita ka doon ng 1%. So, for example, may nag-load ng 300, kikita ka doon ng 3 pesos. Sa dami nung network mo until 10th level, umaabot nga ng 265,000 yung potential income mo for that month. Okay? Monthly yun. So, as in recurring talaga, nang hindi ka nagbebenta. Magbubuo ka lang ng network mo and tuturuan mo lang sila kung paano mag-load, kung paano mag-load ng sarili nila, kung paano mag-load ng turf products, and lahat kayo kikita monthly. Okay? Now, ito yung Smart OTA, pwedeng Globe, pwedeng Sun. Yung sa Globe, wala silang 300 and 500, 100 lang. So, ibig sabihin, kung Globe user ka, every 10 days kang maglo-load ng turf product para hindi mo ma-miss yung kikitain mo. Okay? Para pag may nagpa-load ng turf product under mo, kikita ka pa rin ng 1%. Okay? Kung naka-postpaid ka naman, as long as gumagamit ka or bumibili ka ng Cifadin, ito yung vitamin C, or yung toothpaste, or yung Cifadin SA plus Apollo, qualified ka pa rin for 30 days. Okay? Kasi ito yung price niya pag binili mo. Okay. Now, what will happen when you or your downline techno user miss to purchase the required MyTurf products? For example, hindi ka, ang niload mo lang is yung 100. So, qualified ka for 10 days. After 11th day, nakalimutan mo mag-load. Anong mangyayari? Hindi ka na qualified. Okay? For that day. Ang mangyayari, dynamic compression. Paano yun? Halimbawa, ito nga, hindi siya nakapag-load. Ang mangyayari ito, aakyat siya dun sa taas. Ito rin, aakyat siya dun sa taas. Para ma-fill yung gap. To make sure na ito, kumpleto yung kinikita niya. MyTurf employs dynamic compression to ensure that you earn on all levels of consumer network under your account.